So guys, welcome to my channel. You can see this is gigabyte.com website. So first you have to come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see right side search button, click to type and then press type your model number, then hit enter. Z790 AORUS master, click on product. This one, then click to support. Then select your operating system which is using Windows 10, 11. If you have any operating system, so you can install any version. You can watch this video and install any operating system. Audio, audio driver, SD audio. Click to download. Wait few seconds, it will complete. Then it is done. So single click to open. Then you can see this is the exe file. Just double click. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is audio driver installing. So it will close means it is installed. Okay. So guys, done and close. Chipset driver. So click to first. It is open and double click to open. Then yes. Then okay. And then close. Scroll down. Same in this chipset. Then it is close means done. And land driver. Just double click to exe and then yes. Now you can see the land driver installing, and it is close means done. VGA, Intel graphic card driver. This is size. Just click to download. It will take some time to download and depend about your internet. And then open which is downloaded VGA driver. So this is extracted. So just double click of exe. You can see this is exe. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. It will close means your VGA driver is installed. So it is done, and then close it. Bluetooth driver, Bluetooth, and click to download. Open Bluetooth driver, open, and then click to yes. And then close and done. VLAN driver means Wi-Fi driver, and click to download. And open, double click to exe. So this is version Wi-Fi 6E. So finally this is installed, guys.